Class 1 Subject Maths Lecture number 20. Children, today I am going to explain story of circle. Take out your neat copies and do story of circle with me. This is a circle. It has no corners. It has no side. It can roll. It can roll. Now children, you have to put circle on your neat copies on this page and trace it like this. So which shape is this? It is a circle. First I will write, it is a circle. It has no corners, leave one block. It has no sides. It can roll. Sorry. So this is story of circle. It is a circle. It has no corners. It has no sides. It can roll. Next, this is your homework. Story of square. So I will show you. This is a square. It has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It cannot roll. So you have to do this work in your neat copy and draw square and color it.